Listen, listen closely. That sound, that is not music. That is Saturn itself, screaming in radio waves across billions of kilometers of empty space. The silence of the void shattered by a planetary roar, a sound of the universe, alive, violent, untamed. For centuries, humans looked up and saw a jewel, a golden giant floating in darkness, its rings shimmering like frozen fire, stretching farther than the eye can see. From Earth, it seems calm, majestic, untouchable, but beauty is deceptive. Beneath the glow, chaos waits, patience, power, and destruction, all spinning silently, hidden beneath a mask of serenity, a crown, a cosmic crown made of ice and rock, silent yet deadly, waiting for the slightest disturbance to erupt. Saturn is not calm. It is a spinning titan of hydrogen and helium. It rotates so fast. Its equator bulges outward, flattening like a cosmic pancake. Its storms rage endlessly. Some last decades, some centuries. The winds howl at thousands of kilometers per hour, a planetary symphony of fury. Its gravity is a predator, tearing moons apart, tossing ice and rock into orbit to decorate itself. Every stripe, every swirl, every storm tells a story of violence. This is not a peaceful giant. This is a kingdom of chaos, a realm where beauty and destruction dance together. Look closer. Every swirl of clouds hides currents that could rip a spaceship apart. Every lightning strike is a glimpse of untamed power. Look at the rings. From Earth, they appear solid, perfect, eternal. But fly closer, and you enter a storm of shards. Billions of ice and rock fragments, from grains of sand to mountains, racing at thousands of kilometers per hour, colliding, shattering, and reforming again, endlessly. Imagine a blade of ice, stretching nearly 300,000 kilometers wide, yet only tens of meters thick. A knife slicing through the darkness. Delicate, deadly, magnificent. A frozen crown of violence, spinning endlessly. A monument to destruction and to the beauty that only chaos can create. Each fragment orbits in perfect chaos, a delicate balance between creation and annihilation. Where did this chaos come from? Long ago, a moon wandered too close. It crossed the point of no return. Saturn's gravity grabbed it, ripped it apart. The core shattered, the crust scattered into trillions of icy fragments. The rings we admire today are the remains of a dead moon, a cosmic graveyard, silent, spinning, beautiful. Every fragment tells a story of a world destroyed, a death turned into art. Now, look at the North Pole. Nature rarely draws straight lines. Yet here, a perfect hexagon spins, a hurricane wide enough to swallow 4 Earths. At its center, a red vortex twists endlessly, like a rose carved from storms. It has raged for decades, maybe centuries. A wound, a geometric scar on a planet, unblinking, unhealing. A storm frozen in time, yet alive. The walls of the storm reach hundreds of kilometers into the atmosphere, a monument to the raw, untamed power of Saturn. Every 30 Earth years, Saturn awakens. A colossal storm appears, the Great White Spot, a tempest so vast, it wraps around the entire planet. Lightning flashes, tens of thousands of times stronger than anything on Earth. Ammonia clouds rise from deep within. The golden bands turned into a ghostly white veil, a reminder beneath calm clouds. A violent engine churns, waiting to explode. A heartbeat of chaos, hidden beneath the surface. Saturn has more than 140 moons, but one stands out: Titan, the only moon with a dense atmosphere, its pressure higher than Earth's. Rivers and lakes, clouds drifting across the sky. It looks like home, but Titan is deadly. Its rain is not water. It is liquid methane and ethane. Temperature drops to minus 79 degrees Celsius. Step into a lake, and you wouldn't freeze. You would shatter like glass. The dunes are not sand, but hydrocarbon grains, hundreds of meters high, shifting in alien winds. A world that imitates life, yet is forged from death. A mirror of Earth, twisted, toxic, mesmerizing. Farther out lies Enceladus, small, bright, deceptively calm. Tiger stripes at its south pole. Bleed water vapor hundreds of kilometers into space. Saturn's gravity kneads it like dough, keeping a hidden ocean warm beneath the ice. Salt, heat, organic molecules. And in that darkness, shielded from the vacuum of space, life might stir. Silent, waiting, hidden. A fragile spark in the endless cold. To uncover these secrets, we sent Cassini, 13 years of exploration, orbiting, observing, recording, until it ran out of fuel. To protect moons like Enceladus, NASA made a hard choice. Cassini dove into Saturn's atmosphere, sending data until the very last second. The heat and pressure tore it apart. It melted, vaporized, and became part of the planet forever. A final sacrifice for knowledge. The story of a lone explorer, consumed by the giant it sought to understand. Even Saturn's rings are fleeting. Gravity slowly pulls them down, and in 100 million years, they will vanish. Look now, while you can. A temporary masterpiece of chaos and beauty. A reminder of how small we truly are. Saturn is magnificent, but beauty, like power, can be deadly. Its golden glow, its frozen rings, a fleeting wonder in the dark of space, a masterpiece of gravity, violence, and time.